हिमाचल प्रदेश से ऋतिका चंबियाल।
वतन पर जो फिदा होता है, अमर वो हर नौजवान होता है। रहती है जब तक दुनिया ये, अफसाना उसका बयां होता है। A very warm and refreshing noon to all the excellences present over here. This is Ritika Chambyal representing Devabhoomi of India, Himachal Pradesh, NYK Dharamshala. Today I'm standing here to speak on one of the greatest freedom fighters of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Ratna of India and Pride of Bihar, the first president of independent India. The day he swore in his office on 26 January 1950, he had accepted only 50% of his salary, which later he reduced to only 25%. Sir was a man of values, for he believed in attaining our ideals, our means should be as pure as the end. Dr. Prasad was born on 3rd December 1884 in Bihar, did schooling in Siran, and was an exceptionally brilliant child. Once, on an exam, he was remarked as examinee is better than examiner. He cleared the entrance exam of the University of Calcutta in first attempt in first division with the highest score, and the whole country praised him. This was Dr. Rajendra Prasad, a bright student and a successful lawyer who gave up his flourishing law career to join Indian freedom movement. He wasn't just a man of words, but a man of actions. Like when he asked his son to drop out of the University of Calcutta to support Swadeshi movement. He was a true follower of the Gandhiji's principles and initiated movements like non-cooperation and salt satyagraha in Bihar. A true freedom fighter who contributed immensely in making new India and was awarded with Bharat Ratna. Rajendra Prasad ji, a true representation of Indian culture and general public. So he was loved by all. A man who believed in simple living and high thinking. A man who embraced his humanity and leadership came naturally to him. These values, this mindset is what we need to inculcate in our younger generation. Rajendra Prasad ji will always be remembered as a man of intellect, as a friend of poor, as a partner of the farmers, and especially as the leader of the nation. People will continue to get inspired with his idols. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.